Dog, them just, isn't it? But I mean, but on other news still, bro. I'm gonna try to figure out. So what make Ellie block you? Yeah, I wanna know what going on with Ellie. Make Ellie say, yo, fuck the brother.
Yo,
You see me?
it's so crazy. I first time actually I tell this. I don't know if Ellie blocked me before me do the comedy thing because apparently it's about to block anybody.
Some year
Because when me make my first video from about Elephant Man, when I go Saboom and ready for tag him in the video, I couldn't find him. So I was wondering before if I had commented something funny and I need one and picture them,
probably,
and him block me from them time there. But the first video I did, where I say, yo, so what do you have with Beanie Man? I'm saying, Anthony, stop it there. Me and Beanie Man don't have nothing.
Yeah.
But Beanie Man full of bad mind. Well, I never diss Elephant Man, so why would you block me? I never diss Elephant Man.
Bro, cause you got some people. First off, big up to Ellie, cause Ellie a legend.
Yeah, big up Elephant.
Them don't give Ellie credit where Ellie deserve.
I agree.
And them a fucker for that.
Elephant Man is a legend.
Best believe. Remember, Elephant Man, I was a BET and them thing in the perform for the big performance in the bro.
Facts.
Nicki Minaj and everybody up in the front, can't contain themselves.
Yep.
Yeah, but big up Ellie, see me. But me just feel some people, bro, them sensitive them with it. And them know nobody talk about it. And I don't think that mentality meshes well with you being a celebrity.
That's true.
You have to just know, say, yo, what going on. People don't chat about me, I go into the tabloids. If I pick my nose, somebody gonna take a picture and see it. It is what it is. You have to just know, say, this is the thing there. You can't control that.
That's facts.
You can't do nothing about that.
And me, I learned that too, because I'm very defensive sometimes. It just depends on the day.
Yeah, you love cuss dog, you and the people. Comment section hot.
But you see me? But with Ellie now, it was kind of surprising if she saying black me, you see me? And then now, when he black me now, I'm kind of take it to art. I start talking about him now. You see me? So now I now get unblocked.
Yeah.
I'm the first trick I see, look how me blood clot, I rate Elephant, I big up Elephant Man. Whenever this is my Beanie Man, me I talk about that Beanie Man, when God give a bad mind, Beanie Man there front and church out for about 5 minutes at a collector. Whenever this Ellie, so why would you block me? So when I say I'm black now, I'm just get vexed dog, I'm just start talking about Ellie, you see me?
Yeah.
But really and truly, Elephant Man and one of the staple them.
Any?
We're in a dance and music where make. Bro, I remember you know. Twister, Young Bloods, Busta Rhyme, Yin Yang Twins, Little John, Cat De Luna.
Yep.
Bro, Elephant Man collab with so much people.
Yeah man, him and Beanie them come like I said thing them the man them go do, you know.
Yes.
You see me, because seems good Beanie, you know, and Bunty, the man them Bunty have Mob Deep and how much of them big rap group there.
Definitely.
You see me? So I mean that's what I say. I don't think they make star like they used to, bro.
Nah.
They don't make star like they used to, brother.
Nah, I think everybody and another reason why too, the stardom I move regular, brother.
That's true. That
the
too.
stardom I move regular.
That too.
Look on Beyonce. Why I think Beyonce thing still up on a level?
True, man.
Because she not really up on social media like that.
Bro, you can't even see Beyonce.
You don't see Beyonce.
You have to go book sitting and years she go there, you know.
I thank you.
Best believe that.
I thank you. So it's like the celebrity them now. Them are just regular Instagram people.
Yeah.
You see it every day, even without the makeup. Some of them girls are ugly. Some of them celebrity girls are ugly. When we see it without makeup now, it take away all of the mystery. You know that cute again?
I know only that.
You
have to remember all of them start looking same, you know. Cause from designer body forward, all them do everybody go upgrade, you know. Buy new bumper, new carburetor, and new everything, you know. Everybody think upgrade. But what I find crazy is the one of them have the said body with a different head and a different TRN. Sealer.
Yo! Damn!
Sealer.
We're not gonna edit out that, we are keep that.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ!
Different, bro, different head and different TRN. But the body them, same thing.
You know what I hate?
So when I do that?
You know what I hate with some of them BBL, yeah? The body big so, and then the foot maga.
The tie, tiny.
No.
Someone of them couldn't spread out that little, make it even out. But guess what? It's not worth the way they kind of show them body built. Yeah. And if you're going to do it in moderation, they don't say Shensia do body. But Shensia body looks fine to me.
Yeah, she look natural. I don't even know.
But that's what I'm saying. The word on the street, them say she do her thing. But I look at it and I say, if Kardashian them can't get a hold of this thing and can't get it right, and Kardashian them have money, could
Billionaire them.
yeah. So when you take up yourself, boy, you take on this thing, and you know what other thing to me it? The teeth. You see now, everybody do the teeth and them big buckaroo there, brother. Look like
And them
beaver.
lock.
Brother. But veneers, shave down them natural teeth and them painted, so brother.
Nobody have no individualistic
Jesus
mindset
Christ,
anymore.
brother.
Everybody wanna be like this person.
Being in them
Everybody
a star
wanna
long
be
time.
like
I
this.
always see being in them. Come on, people a star how long?
Yeah.
I mean, see nobody like that. Come on, bro.
Nobody is an individual anymore. Group thinking around Jamaica. That's why walk and live talk and bumbuckler it's so popular. Group thinking. Nobody has individual say. You know what? I think that is some load of crap. Why would this man tell me not to inform, but he might affect me? He might rob my house.
Yeah.
He just thief my little cousin last week. He killed my grandfather yesterday.
Yeah, but me not for
But me not
inform.
for inform.
Cause you were born, you see, you're not gonna do nothing and then you're there. How come, you know? With him, you know? And they even now get a chance we can inform again, cause
And then when you in a pickle, nobody's gonna inform for help you.
yo, them government, you know.